Hello, my name is Rima Tangalacheva. We turn to a review of Lee Chang-dong's films and characterize his creative style. I will also dwell on the similarities between the creative styles of Lee Chang-dong and the Russian director Andrei Zvyagintsev. Then we will talk more about youth issues in Lee Chang-dong's film Burning. We will touch on social inequality, gender, and regional aspects of inequality, and draw conclusions about the social prospects of modern society in the context of globalization. During this lecture, we will try to find an answer for the question why Lee Chang-dong's films present sorrowful realism. First subtopic is dedicated to the introduction of the film and directorial style of Lee Chang-dong. Lee Chang-dong was born on July 4, 1954, in Daegu, Korea's most conservative city. He belongs to a left-wing, low-middle-class family, especially it can be said about his father. His family came from the nobility of Old Korea. This contradiction of upbringing in a former noble family with socialist ties shaped his character and later his style in cinema. He graduated from Daegu Kyunbuk National University in 1981 with a degree in Korean literature. Lee Chang-dong has supported Roh Moo-hyun since 2002. After Roh Moo-hyun won the presidential elections, he served as Minister of Culture from 2003 to 2004. During his term, the director offered screen quotas for independent films, but his proposal met with fierce opposition from the Korean film industry. However, in October 2006, he was awarded for his effort by the French government for his contribution to maintaining the screen quota to promote cultural diversity as cultural heritage. Lee Chang-dong directed 6 feature films: Greenfish 1997, Peppermint 2000, Oasis 2002, Secret Sunshine 2007, Poetry 2010, and Burning 2018. Burning became the first Korean film to make the final 9-film shortlist at the 91st Academy Oscar Awards for the Best Foreign Language Film. Burning also won the Prix International Critics Award at the 71st Cannes Film Festival, Best Foreign Language Film at the Los Angeles Film Critics Association, and Best Foreign Language Film at the Toronto Film Critics Association. Lee Chang-dong won the Silver Lion for Best Director at the Prix International Critics Award at the 2002 Venice Film Festival for Oasis, and the Best Screenplay Award at the 2010 Cannes Film Festival for Poetry. He also received the Achievement in Directing Award at the 4th Asia Pacific Screen Awards, the Grand Jury Prize at the 2018 Asia Pacific Screen Awards, the Best Director Award, and the Lifetime Achievement Award at the 13th Asian Film Awards in 2019. For almost a decade, until 2017, during the presidential administration of Lee Myung-bak and Park Geun-hye, Lee Chang-dong was blacklisted by the government. Cultural figures such as Lee Chang-dong, who were blacklisted, were subject to investigations and denial of subsidies. Now I will briefly present the films of Lee Chang-dong. In 1997, he directed his first film, Green Fish. The film won Best Picture at the Blue Dragon Film Awards, the Dragon and Tigers Award at the Vancouver International Film Festival, and a special mention NEDPEC Award at the Rotterdam International Film Festival. In 2000, Lee Chang-dong directed Peppermint, a story about a lonely man in reverse chronology through 20 years of South Korean history, from the student uprising of the 1980s to the film's release in 2000. Peppermint received the Special Jury Prize at the Bratislava International Film Festival and 3 awards at the Karlovy Vary International Film Festival, including the Special Jury Prize and the NEDPEC Prize. The film also won the Grand Bell Awards for Best Picture. In 2002, Lee Chang-dong released Oasis, a story about a mentally ill man and a woman with cerebral palsy, which won the Silver Lion for Best Director at the 2003 Venice Film Festival. Oasis was selected as the Korean entry for the Best Foreign Language Film at the 75th Academy Awards. The film was awarded the Dan George Humanitarian Award at the Vancouver International Film Festival. He also received a Venice International Film Festival's Special Director's Award, the Feprichy Prize. The director also won the Baek-san Art Awards for Best Director in South Korea. Lee Chang-dong's fourth film, Secret Sunshine, about a young woman who lost her son, was completed in 2007. At the 60th Cannes Film Festival, the film was entered into the competition category with lead actress Chon Do-yeon winning the Best Actress award. It was theatrically released in South Korea in 2007 and was nominated by South Korea for the Academy Award for the Best Foreign Language Film in 2008. Secret Sunshine won the Best Feature Film Award at the Asia Pacific Screen Awards. It won the Korean Film Awards for Best Film and Best Director, the Best Director Award, and a special Grand Bell Awards. In 2010, Lee Chang-dong's film Poetry was released. The film tells the story of a 60-year-old woman who begins to develop an interest in poetry and struggles with Alzheimer's disease. The film received positive reviews from critics and won Best Screenplay at the 2010 Cannes Film Festival. It is noteworthy that Yoon Chon-hee, who returned to the screen after a 16 years hiatus, played the main role in the film. For this film, Lee Chang-dong won the Asia Pacific Screen Awards for achievements in directing. Poetry also won Best Film and Best Screenplay at the 2010 Grand Bell Awards, while Lee Chang-dong won Best Director at the 2011 Baeksan Arts Awards. 8 years later, Lee Chang-dong directed the psychological drama Burning, based on Haruki Murakami's short story The Burning Barn. The film premiered at the 71st Cannes Film Festival and won the FIPRICHI International Critics Award. Burning became the highest-rated film in the history of the Screen International Cannes Film Festival jury. In March 2019, Lee Chang-dong won Best Director with Burning and was awarded the Lifetime Achievement Award at the 13th Asian Film Awards. And finishing this subtopic, I will say several words about the specifics of Lee Chang-dong's directing style. Describing the key themes of Lee Chang-dong's film, we can say that the director connects his film with the depiction of the psychological trauma of the characters. Instead of letting them wallow in the misery, he engages them in situations that force them to search, often in vain, for the meaning of life. Through realistic portraits of his characters, Lee Chang-dong encourages the audience to examine themselves and look at what society chooses to hide.